Are you one of the person who worry about accumulating and managing debt? Especially student loans, credit card debt, and personal loans. The fear of losing job or not earning a stable income is one of the major concerns people have in their life. Most of the concerns are because of mistakes people do, and those are common mistakes. In this video, we are going to look how to avoid those mistakes so you do not do such mistakes. I'm also going to explain you how to strengthen your finances to secure your future. Watch it closely and stay till the end with me. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1. Not taking benefit of starting early. Warren Buffett began his investment journey at age 11. Peter Lynch started investing in stocks during his college years. But most of the people do not start investing early. They do not give importance to saving and investing. Time is the crucial aspect in investing. These billionaires know the secret of investing early. It has several benefits. When you are young, you have the chance to take more risks. Investing early can dramatically reduce the investment's cost. And also the eighth wonder of the world, compound interest, as stated by Albert Einstein. If you haven't already begun the process of investing, do it right now. There is no shortcut to wealth generation. It is a game of long-term process. Number 2. Living on borrowed money. Let's understand first why people borrow money and how it affects on their life. People borrow money for basic necessities like rent, utilities, healthcare. Also for education, purchasing assets like home, car. Many times they borrow money to consolidate existing debts into a single loan. It is very easy to get the loan nowadays, but very few know loans affects their life. It can push them into the financial trap. Borrowing reduces available income for future needs. High interest repayments can limit disposable income, restricting the ability to save, invest, or spend on discretionary items. Particularly with credit cards, which are having high interest, can make borrowing very expensive. In extreme cases, unmanageable debt can lead to bankruptcy. The obligation to repay loans can lead to stress, and anxiety can reduce overall quality of life. Only take low-interest loans, those loans which you are having the capacity to repay it. Try to repay the high-interest loan as soon as possible. Try to build emergency funds, so you should not take loan for basic things. Remember, rich people take the loans to build something big. Number 3. Showing off. In the world of social media, many of us try to compare life with others. They try to buy such things which are not necessary to them. They just buy to impress others. Overspending on luxury items can reduce savings and emergency funds. Many of these items depreciate quickly, losing value over time. Luxury items often require expensive maintenance and upkeep. For example, luxury cars need costly repairs and premium insurance. And designer clothes may require special care. Money spent on luxury items is money that is not invested or saved. This opportunity cost means missing out on potential financial growth through investments or the security of a robust savings account. Showing off can create a cycle of social pressure where individuals feel compelled to keep up with peers, leading to continuous spending beyond their means. Instead of spending on depreciating assets, consider investing in appreciating assets such as stocks, bonds, or real estate. Focus on financial stability and long-term goals rather than immediate gratification through luxury purchases. Many people fall into the comparison, show off because they do not plan a budget, which is the next mistake they do. Number 4. Not having a budget. If you do not having a budget means you are in the Taran, which having no direction. Without a budget, it's easy to spend more than you earn. Regular overspending often results in relying on credit cards and loans to cover expenses. This leads to accumulating high-interest debt. Without a budget, it's challenging to allocate money towards savings. Without a clear picture of your income and expenses, making informed financial decisions becomes difficult. This can lead to impulsive purchases and poor investment choices. So becoming secure is challenging. This is the main reason people do not have retirement savings. To avoid this mistake, begin with a basic budget that tracks your income and essential expenses. This initial step can provide immediate clarity and control over your finances. Utilize budgeting apps. These tools can help automate tracking and provide insights into spending patterns. Establish short-term and long-term financial goals. Periodically review your budget to ensure it reflects your current financial situation and adjust as necessary. Budgeting gives the thinking for the future, which is the next mistake people do. Number 5. They do not think for future. 63% of Americans reported that they were living paycheck to paycheck. Living paycheck to paycheck makes it difficult to save money for future needs, such as retirement, education, or buying a home. It does not allow to think in a long run, which causes you to take loan for living. Long-term financial planning helps build a strong financial foundation. Investing for the long term enables your money to grow and compound over time. Knowing that you have a solid financial plan in place provides peace of mind. Long-term financial thinking enables you to create generational wealth. Someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. Warren Buffett. So think and plan for the future. Do not repeat the other's mistakes. Number 6. Fear of taking risk. Rewards comes with risk. No, rewards comes with calculated risk. Playing it safe with your finances may lead to a stagnant financial situation, where you struggle to achieve significant progress. Without taking calculated financial risks, you may find it challenging to achieve financial independence and freedom. By not taking financial risks, you may miss the opportunity to leverage your assets. Keeping all your savings in low-risk, low-return investments may not keep pace with inflation over time. Try to take calculated risk over the time to grow and become rich. All the wealthy people take risk by analyzing all the aspects. Number 7. Not staying updated. You will be able to calculate the risk by staying updated and educated. Many people do not give priority to learning. They stop learning as they become old. Once you stop learning, you ultimately stop growing. This is the fact. By staying updated on financial news, market trends, and economic developments, you can make more informed decisions. Regularly updating your financial knowledge allows you to adapt and adjust your financial strategy. Read, stay updated, and grow substantially. As we bid farewell to these discussions, let us carry all the lessons learned. Do not make above mistakes. Learn from others and apply it. If you discover value in this video, kindly share it with someone you care about and wish to inspire on their journey towards financial success. Like and subscribe to us for more financial knowledge. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.